John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy. I get asked a lot, oh, how do I use this trust if I have a job? Well, use a trust for a lot of things, not just, removing income taxes. Oh, there's a big boat across the Intercoastal Waterway. Did we miss it? I guess we did. Sorry. Anyway, so what that implies is, hey, I'm using my business called the person. Okay, that's not good because that has taxable ramifications. So you want to use another business called the trust. The trust we have. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, you're gonna write in another entity into the tax form. If it's a W two, that you could only use a person, the business called a person on that. That has taxes. That's not good. You want to get out of that situation. We teach you how with the trust. And if you're in a quote independent contractor status, a W 9, where you simply go in and change the W 9 to the trust, boom, no taxes due, over, done. And everybody else, you so-called quote business people or what have you, any question related to anything outside of that, you simply use a trust. Whatever you're currently doing, your clients know nothing. Nothing changed. Nothing's on their end. Nothing looks different. Do you see what I'm saying? Nothing at all looks different. And you're simply changing the bank account and the payment gateway. How that thing's getting paid. That's all. Nothing else. Not a single other thing. It's so easy. Then you don't need an accountant anymore. You either have money or you don't. You keep information on, accounting and so on, because you're managing your funds for your business. That's the reason. Okay, very simple. It's so simple. Okay, so got to use the trust. Okay, it has many other benefits, even if you're in the W two situation. No property taxes. Your money can't be seized, can't be decaned, can't be jailed. Uh, a lot of other stuff we have to train you on. So that's just one, thing that we can help get you out of with trading. You need the trading so you know what to do. All right, get the trust, Liberty Aid Academy.